NIT Raipur's NIRF rankings, steady progress in engineering and new milestone in architecture. NGNOU extends deadline for July 2024, fresh admissions to October 15. IIT Bombay faces backlash over promotion of research opportunities in Israel amid genocide allegations. KIIT World School honored with Best School Award for Experiential Learning at COA Award 2024. ICAI launches initiatives for stress management and work-life balance.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Education News Network. I am Pallavi Kulkarni. Here are today's top news. NIT Raipur's performance in NIRF ranking over the past 5 years shows mixed results. In the engineering category, it ranked 71 in 2024, down from 70 in 2023 and 65 in 2022. However, it remains one of the top 2 institutes from Chhattisgarh, outperforming IIT Bhilai, which ranked 73 in 2024. Notably, NIT Raipur entered the architecture category for the first time, securing 36th place in NIRF 2024. For engineering, it scored 57.83 in teaching, learning and resources, 40.80 in research and professional practice, 65.98 in graduation outcomes, 56.96 in outreach and inclusivity, and 3.91 in perception. IIT Bhilai scores were 76.71, 19.93, 65.71 and 7.48. The Indira Gandhi National Open University has extended the deadline for fresh admissions for the July 2024 academic year to October 15, providing an additional fortnight for students to register for online distance learning and online programs. This extension applies to all the ODL and online mode programs, excluding semester-based and certificate programs. Instead, students can view the list of available programs on the official website. To apply, students should visit the website, register online, fill their details and submit to the application. After admission confirmation, eligible students can also apply for the government scholarship via National Scholarship Portal, scholarships.gov.in. IIT Bombay's encouragement for students to pursue research at Israeli universities has sparked outrage, especially from Ambedkar Periyar Pule Study Circle. They condemned the initiative in light of genocide allegations against Israel related to the actions in Gaza, asserting the many Israeli universities are linked to the state policies. The group urged the institutes to cease collaborations with Israeli institutions, emphasizing a commitment to justice and human rights. IIT Bombay's director responded that the institute will adhere to ministry guidelines on such international matters. This controversy follows prior protest against the India-Israel Business Summit at IISc, which also faced significant opposition from the faculty and students concerned about ongoing violence in Gaza. KIIT World School Sona Road received the Best School with Experiential Learning Award at the 19th COA Cluster of Achievers Award in 2024 in Delhi. This recognition celebrates the school's commitment to hands-on immersive learning experience that inspires students' innovation and excellence. Principal Dr. Nilima Kamra, Administrator Officer Ms. Ananya Parshar and CEO Anshuman Kamra accepted the award on behalf of the school. This honor reflects KIIT World School's dedication to high education standards and innovative teaching practices. The school looks forward to further success in its mission of excellence. The Institute of Chartered Accountants in India is addressing the need for the better work-life balance and stress management within the profession. On September 30, ICAI announced the formation of dedicated group led by Seema, Additional Director on Work-Life Balance and Stress Management, to implement measures for improvement. Additionally, ICAI plans to introduce a counseling help desk within the National Call Center for members facing stress and work-life balance issues. The institute will also collaborate with the industry partners to promote flexible work models and has organized various health and awareness programs including webinars, yoga sessions and marathons to enhance overall well-being. That's all for today's news. Signing off with Pallavi Kulkarni. For more such news and detailed information, log into our website www.theenn.com. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video and subscribe to our channel.